If you're getting the Steam missing executable error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now. This is one of those Steam issues that can look serious, but in many cases it's caused by missing or corrupted game files, a launcher permission problem, or Steam not running with the right access. The good news is that this fix is quick, free, and does not require any advanced tools. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam and head over to your library. Find the game that is showing the missing executable error, then right-click on it. From the menu, click Properties. This will open the settings for that specific game, which is exactly where we need to be for the first repair step. Inside Properties, look for the Installed Files section. This tab is important because it gives you tools to repair the game installation without reinstalling everything from scratch. Once you're there, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check all of the game files on your system and compare them with the files that should be there. If anything is missing, broken, or out of place, Steam will automatically download and replace it. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, so give it some time to finish. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the missing executable error because the file Steam is looking for may have been removed, renamed, or corrupted during an update or crash. Once verification is complete, close Steam fully. Make sure it is not still running in the background. Then, find the Steam shortcut or go to the Steam installation folder and locate steam.exe. Right-click on steam.exe, then choose Run as Administrator. Running Steam as administrator gives it the permissions it may need to access game files properly and launch the executable without being blocked by Windows security restrictions. After Steam opens again, try launching the game one more time. In many cases, this second attempt works because the file integrity check repaired the missing files and the admin launch fixed the permission issue. If the game starts normally, then the issue is resolved. If it still does not work, double check that you launched the correct game from your Steam library and that your antivirus or Windows security software is not blocking the executable. Sometimes security tools can quarantine a game file and cause Steam to think it is missing. You can also try restarting your PC and repeating the same steps again, since a fresh reboot can clear temporary conflicts. To quickly recap, the main fix is to verify the game files, close Steam, run steam.exe as administrator, and then test the game again. This simple process solves the missing executable error for a lot of users without needing a full reinstall. If this video helped you get back into your game, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, gaming fixes, and easy computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.